your website's search impressions up but new patient calls are down? You are not alone. Here's the paradox. Click-through rates for dental sites have plummeted by around 30 to 60%. The reason is AI overviews, which are turning Google into an answer engine, not a search engine. This isn't a small feature. These AI answers now appear in over 50% of Google searches in the US. In the next few minutes, we'll give you the new rules for getting found and making AI your top referral source. The old rules of SEO were about ranking pages for clicks. That game is over. The new discipline is called AI optimization, or AIO. Its goal is different. The objective is to train the AI to see you as a trustworthy source that is worth citing in its answer. To do this, you must master Google's EEAT framework: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. For healthcare, EEAT is the primary filter AI uses. Bad dental advice has real consequences, so standards are high. So, how do we prove our EEAT to a machine? You have to build signals of trust that an AI can actually understand. AI doesn't just read your About Us page to decide if you're an expert. So how does an algorithm truly verify your authority? It assesses your entire digital footprint, mentions in local news, profiles in dental directories, and links from health blogs. To prove your experience, go beyond just listing services. Publish detailed case studies of complex treatments you've performed. Write posts discussing specific patient challenges you have solved. This shows you've handled real-world problems. Also, AI needs structure. It parses data, so clear headings, lists, and logical organization are as vital as the words themselves. AI also rewards depth. Instead of one page on implants, create a topic cluster answering every possible question about them. So you need deep, structured, experience-driven content. Now let's look at the specific formats AI is programmed to find. Patients ask AI questions like, how long do veneers last? Your content must directly answer these in a Q&A format. Inside your articles include concise 2 to 3 sentence summaries. These micro answers are what AI pulls for its own summaries. And your Google Business Profile is a primary data source for AI on local businesses. Keep it perfectly updated with services and photos. Great content is the first step, but how do you make sure the AI doesn't misinterpret what it reads? You have to speak its language. Schema markup is code added to your website that acts as a translator. It explicitly labels content for search engines. It says, this is a dental procedure. This is the dentist's name. This is a patient review, removing all ambiguity for the AI. But your on-site signals are not enough. This is where patient reviews become more important than ever, but not for the reason you think. AI doesn't just look at star ratings, it reads the text of the reviews. It's searching for keywords related to specific procedures. A review saying, Dr. Smith did a fantastic job on my Invisalign is a powerful trust signal for that specific service. So we have content, technical code, and off-site reviews. How do they work in concert to create an unbeatable authority signal? Let's connect this. First, you build that deep topic cluster on your website about dental implants to establish your expertise. Next, you use service schema on that page to explicitly tell the AI, this page describes a dental implant procedure we offer. Finally, the AI finds Google reviews praising your dental implant work. This third-party proof confirms your claim and seals your authority. So, how does AI determine trust? It connects what you say on your site with what others say online. When they match, you win. This reveals the fundamental shift. You are no longer optimizing for a click. You are optimizing to be the citable source in the AI's answer. Being named by Google as the trusted source builds more authority than a simple blue link ever could. Optimizing your entire digital presence for AI is now the single most important factor for long-term practice growth. Your first step is to perform an EEAT audit of your most important service pages. Does the page prove your experience? Second, implement schema markup for your business, your doctors, and your key procedures. Start speaking the AI's language today. The system has changed, but the opportunity for practices that adapt is immense. Don't get left behind in the old world of search. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more on the future of dental marketing. Adapt to this change and own the future of search.